This is part 2 of a 6-part lesson on how to shade in order to create the illusion of form on a flat surface, as well as learning about different shading techniques. This is a beginner's lesson which demonstrates how to shade a sphere using the hatching technique. Here we have the circle already drawn. This shading technique, hatching, is done by creating lines of different tonal values to an area, gradually moving from dark to light. These lines are drawn in the same direction. This is achieved by adjusting the amount of pressure applied to the medium being used as we move towards the light area. Here is my attempt.